Hello guys, today is Monday, April, I believe April 28. So, maglalakad lang tayo dito. Hali kayo, sama kayo. Pakita ko kasi ah, pakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako naglalakad. Ito yung neighborhood namin. Yeah. Maganda rito maglakad every morning or late afternoon. Now is spring here, so pakita ko lang sa inyo kung mga trees na magaganda rito, yung mga cherry blossom tree, yung mga basta yung mga ganong klaseng tree. Avoid ko lang yung mga taong kasalubong ko kasi minsan ayaw nila na i-video sila. Morning. Yeah. Dito ako naglalakad every morning pag may time. Kita niyo yan? That one is a cherry tree, cherry blossom tree, or cherry whipping tree. Yeah, that one. Pag spring ganyan. Yung ibang puno wala pa siyang dahon kasi nag-start pa lang ang spring. Pangalan pala ng park nito ay Mud Creek Park. Sama lang kayo guys. May mga blackbird then I forgot their name. It's not crow, it's not raven. It's smaller than that. Normally pag mga snow time, winter time, mga crow makikita nyo rito. Pero pag dumarating na yung spring, umaalis sila. So, sari-saring ibon na pumupunta rito. See, that's robin. That's robin. That's a robin bird. Pag next time na pag summer na marami ng mga leaves yung puno, may mga dahon yung puno, papakita ko sa inyo ulit kung ano yung itsura nito. Ito nga pala ay mga para siyang loop. So mga 3 kilometers siya. Kung bubuuin nyo yung buong loop, mga 3 kilometers, mga 1 oras din lakarin. Marami rin mga geese dito nasa baba ng ilog minsan. Yan, robin din siya, robin pa rin. Yan, robin pa rin. Yan ang ibon na naglalakad. Bilis maglakad yan. See, kita niyo naglalakad. Sanay na sila sa tao. Maraming robin dito. Tingnan yung tree, ang ganda. Ito na rin yung habitat nila. Diyan sila natutulog sa gabi sa one of those trees here, yung mga malalaki. Pag spring pumupunta na sila ito. Tapos pag magwi-winter na uli, magpo-fall, mag-late fall, nagmamigrate na sa ibang lugar na hindi malamig sa bandang US. Daming ibon guys, oh. Iba-iba ibon dito. May mga blue jays, Cardinal, yung Blue Jays, yeah, obviously blue. Cardinal is red ang kulay naman. May mga ano din, parang ibang bahay. May mga morning dove. Morning dove is para siyang dove, medyo maliit lang ng konti. Dove nga talaga, kaya lang maliit lang sa mga dove na nakikita natin diyan sa Pilipinas. Merong ginawa ditong bird nest. Siya mga ibon. Diyan sila yeah, diyan sila nagnenes. Nangingitlog. Maraming butas. Boy. Morning. Hey, doggy. Oh, you scared of me?
No, she'll growl and then she'll go.
Enjoy.
It's a warning.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a goose. Yeah, a small dog. She's not friendly. Ewan ko guys kung nakikita niyo may squirrel. Lots of squirrel here in Canada. Even in your backyard, front yard. Kung may puno doon sa neighborhood nyo. Kasi gusto nila lagi ng nasa puno, ganyan. Squirrel. The first time I saw squirrel when I was in Taiwan. Yeah, marami ring squirrel doon. You see, hinabol ng squirrel yung ibon. Yeah, gana. Yan, nandun siya yung squirrel. Nakita nyo. Pwede nyo tawagan siya. Shoot nyo na, lalapit siya kung may pagkain kayo. Morning. I will call him. Yeah, he's behind the, see that? He's behind the tree. He's so happy. He like nuts. So, and his favorite is walnut. But he like also nuts. So like the peanut. Yeah, if you have peanut. This creek is for flooding purposes. So pag malakas yung ulan, so dyan lahat po para bag hindi mag-flood sa mga neighborhood, dyan pupunta yung mga tubig. Dapat may ganyan sa Pilipinas para hindi nagbabaha. Maraming creek dito sa Canada for flooding control. Yeah, may mga pump din. That's maganda rin para sa mga sa ecosystem, mga hayop. Pupuntahan dyan yung mga duck, mga goose or geese. Ganda na puno guys, no? Look at that, it's beautiful. Tapos may mga bahay dyan. Yeah. Medyo Malamig pa na konti guys, siguro mga 14 degrees ganyan. 10 degrees. Malang yung goose. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, I can't point them the camera. Canadian are so private, unlike Filipino. Yeah, mas gusto pa nga nilang kinukuha naman ng camera pag Filipino. Pero pag mga Canadian, American, na nila yung privacy nila. Did you hear that? The goose, they calling one of them. He's calling one of them. There's another one there. He saw one is coming, just coming now. I don't know if you see guys. You see the one? Yeah, he'll go that way. There. Oh my gosh. So big. Neighborhood yan. Look how beautiful here, guys. See the trees. This is oak tree. This tree is oak tree. Yeah. That one to oak tree. Oak tree is bigger than the maple tree. There's a pine tree here too. Ang pagkakaiba ng oak tree, yung dahon niya pahaba. Yung maple tree, yung maple leaf, yung dahon niya pabilog. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga yellow small flag. I don't know what is that. Sometimes mark yan na may gas dyan or gas line. Yeah. Pwede rin pero most likely there's a gas line here. Yeah. And there's another squirrel here. Go up the tree. He's behind the tree up. Hear the sounds, bird. This oak tree, same tree. It's nice to hear a different, sounds of the bird. Ewan ko kung asan siya, hinahanap ko, di ko makita. Sa taas ng puno. Robin siya, Robin. Hinarinig niyo yun. It's a robin. See that? People walking their dogs, walking their kids. Hi, good morning. The small kid. They're so friendly. Canadians so polite, so friendly. They will always say hi to you. So you have to do the same thing. Say hi to them. Oh, what is that? I don't know what's that. I think it's a cat. Yeah, there's a cat there. I think it's a cat. Yeah, it's one from one of the neighborhood here. I think it's a cat. Is it cat? I don't know. Yeah, it's cat. Maybe just naglalaro. Morning. Yeah, there's another, I think goose there. I don't know, goose or, yeah. I saw the other day's big bird. Parang tikling. Ang laki talaga, guys. And he's waiting to catch the fish. Yeah, another goose here. I think duck. Out goes, maybe goose. He's sleeping on the river. Let's show you, he's sleeping. The goose is sleeping. Yeah, he's in the river, but he's in the water, but he's sleeping. It's funny. You can do everything here. You can do biking here. You can do your rollerblade. You can do rollerblading. You can do also jogging here, and you're just walking. Yeah. Feel the nature. There's a nice fountain there. See that one? It's a maple leaf. Maple leaf banner. Yung river niya ngayon medyo mababa. Yung creek pala. Hindi kasi masyado nag-uulan. Which is good thing also, at least pag nag-ulan hindi siya puno agad. So yung nakikita niyo may pump dyan. So pag mapupuno siya, tatapon niya doon sa kabilang side. Yeah, ganun yun. Pop-up niya from here, tatawid niya doon sa kabila, papunta doon sa malayong lake. Yan po nakikita nyo, school yan. Public high school. Dalawang klase kasi ang school dito, bali tatlo. Public high school or public school, either elementary or high school, at yung isa ay Catholic high school. So parehong libre yun, elementary at high school. Tapos meron ding mga private school naman, medyo mahal, siguro 1,000 to 1,000 more every year. Yeah, but dito sa mga ganito libre naman. Ito ay public, pero funded ng government both yung public at saka Catholic school. Sa elementary, only Catholic ang pwedeng pumasok. Let's say yung one parent is Catholic or both parents ay Catholic, so pwede mag-enroll yung bata. Pero pagdating na ng high school, it's okay kung hindi Catholic, basta gusto mong pumasok sa Catholic, kung ano man ang religion mo. Yeah, see the birds, and they're looking for bags or worm there. They're looking for worms. Lots of people are jogging here. There's another one there. Ngayon nga pala anong oras ba ngayon? Mga 9 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Watch out lang kayo pa naglalakad kayo, kasi paminsan-minsan may mga ipot na mga geese, kasi minsan tumatawid sila rito. So hindi naman marami, paminsan-minsan pa konti-konti lang, kasi pag tawid nila saan umiipot. Ito nyo, no? Jogging. Minsan nilalakad nila yung aso nila, minsan yung mga anak nila, either baby or toddler. Doon nga pala hindi nakakaalam. Andito ako ngayon sa Chatham, Ontario. Chatham is located 1 hour east of Windsor and 2.5 hours west of Mississauga, or 3 hours from Toronto. Yep. Nag-move kami dito last September. Medyo slow pace here dito, parang semi-retirement na rin. Yeah, maganda. Medyo malayo naman sa mga big city. Naglalagay sila ng mga sign kasi magkakaroon dito ng yung mga hospice, yung mga people na ill, magkakaroon ng ano dito, parang fundraising for those people. So one of this day, I think maybe next weekend, yeah, yung mga yan estudyante doon sa school, siguro break time nila. Yeah. Yung grass, guys, ang ganda na, ang ganda ng landscape. Minamower yan, kamamower lang yan nung isang araw. 3 malalaking mower ang ginamit dyan, yung mga sinasakyang mower. Matuloy ko pala yung sinasabi ko. Lumipat kasi kami rito dahil doon sa Mississauga, maganda naman sa Mississauga, madaming ang Pilipino rin eh. Mapipil mo talaga, parang nung unang dating ko rito sa Canada, parang dito rin konti lang yung Pilipino, parang paisa-isa lang makikita mo, mapaminsan-minsan lang. Pero ngayon talaga sobrang dami na ng Pilipino doon, pati yung marami na rin yung mga bagong immigrant, nadagdagan na, sobrang dami na. Nung dumating ako ng Mississauga, the population that time is around 500,000. Ngayon is 770,000 already. Too much traffic na ngayon, masyadong crowded na, hirap mag-drive na, lalo na kung sa bandang Toronto. Buti nga sa Mississauga hindi pa masyado, pero dito maganda. Yeah, at least nagagawa mo ito mga ganito. Parang marami rin, siguro half of the people here lives here are those people retired already. Pakita ko sa inyo, kinuha ko ang video ngayon, dapat nga sana sa mga late na ng spring, pag marami ng dahon yung puno, kasi maganda rito. Kaya lang pinakikita ko lang din sa inyo yung mga ganyan trees. Kita nyo, puro bulaklak, ang dami, di ba? Sa cherry blossom, makikita nyo lang for few weeks, like some are only good for 1 week, some good for 2 weeks. Ito medyo matagal yung ganyan. Mamaya mga weekend baka wala na yan, hindi nyo na makikita, nagdaglagan ng mga bulaklak. Yeah. So mga after a month siguro, mga late of May, ipifilm uli natin dito. Makita nyo yung pag marami na mga dahon yung mga puno. Yung mga likod bahay, pag malaki ang backyard nyo, pwede kayong gumawa ng mga tree house. Maganda rito, may mga upuan din yung pakonti-konti, may mga bench. So kung mahilig kayo magbasa ng mga libro, ngayon medyo malamig pa, pwede basta naka-sweater lang kayo, upo lang kayo dyan. Lalo na doon sa mga hindi na nagtatrabaho. May aso sila o dalawa. Just look at the guys, big dog. Pero hindi ko papakita yung tao. Tumatahol sila o nakakita kasi sila ng malaking aso. Cute. guys. So,
Miles and Nathan.
what's your name?
I'm Miles. I'm
Miles? What?
Nathan.
Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys.
Pepper.
Yeah.
We're exploring Canada right now.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah, we live
Okay. Okay.
here.
Hi guys. Yeah, somewhere there in Pismir.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. See you.
You guys
See you around.
Now we are. Don't seem very tired, Nate.
The guys make a painting. See how nice people are approaching you. Make painting, huh? Which one? Everything here, you see?
Yeah, just kind of the river and the curve.
Nice.
Starting, we're just getting
What do you
started.
think? How many minutes you will finish that?
Oh boy, we'll probably be here in 3 hours.
Oh wow. That's good. Nice weather, right?
Yeah, beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Enjoy. Yeah, there's another one there. That's their hobbies. See how people are nice here. There's 3 guys approaching me. Teenager. Hi, morning. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Morning, guys. Yeah, you too. They're very friendly. I don't know if you see the dog because I looked the dog, so I didn't see if I see in the camera. There's another geese there. This is like a baseball field. Yeah, anyone can go there, but sometimes there's somebody do practicing here. But if there's no one, you can do here. I'll show you here. You see what is an ecosystem? Yeah, like that. You just read it, guys. Screenshot and you can read it. Yeah, it's good for habitat for the animals, for birds. See that? Those old cars are coming from different place here in Chatham to just come here to walk. If you like nature, then it's nice here. This is the best time to come here. It's not too hot, so maybe early morning. Right now, I'm wearing a vest, not a sweater, but a vest. But still, because a little bit chill here now. Some are Canadian just wearing a shirt, so yeah. And guys, that's maple tree. Medyo bata pa siya, siguro mga 3 years pa lang. Yung may mga bagong tanim na tinatanan nila. Good morning. Yung iba may mga baby, naglalakad. Diyan ako galing kanina. Nakaikot na tayo eh. So diyan ako nagsimula kanina. So ngayon nandito na ako sa kabilang way. Ano kasi ito eh, Big Loaf. So mga 3 kilometers. Nasukot ko na ito dati na kasi meron akong apps from cellphone. Yeah. Nalampasan niya ulit ako. Nakailang ikot na siguro siya. Pang dito pala sa Canada, kung lalakad yung aso nyo, make sure nakalis siya, may tali, at saka may dala kayong yung mga plastic bag na para sa mga tayo nila. Kailangan pulutin nyo. That's a poodle. It's another dog here is poodle. Tapos meron doon sa kabilang side, medyo maikli lang na pwede diretso pa rin tayo doon para makaisang loop tayo talaga. Yeah. Nakita nyo, nakalagay na stop. Kasi kailangan mag-stop kayo pag nagbabike kayo. Huwag ako itamorin. Just be cautious. Because kahit mga tao, kasi may mga sasakyan. Yeah, pinost ko kasi may kasalubong ako. Ito yung isang maliit na loop. Yeah. May mga nagja-jogging. And there's a squirrel there. Meron siyang Canadian flag. Dito sa Canada, hindi bawal yung maglagay ng mga flag doon sa bahay niyo, sa harapan niyo, sa likuran niyo, saan niyo gusto lagay. As long as with respect. Sa atin kasi hindi pwede, di ba? Mga government building lang ang pwedeng mag-ano ng mga flag. Dito pwede. Kahit sa bahay nyo. Yeah. Ito nyo, may bench. So, papagod kayo, gusto nyo magpahinga. May mga bench naman dito. Siguro mga ito. Pumapasok doon sa school na yun. In loving memory of Tim Walting. I don't know who is that guy. Yeah. Siguro na yun. Kaya sila nagja-jogging mga PE kasi siguro nila. So, yeah. O pwede rin mga athletes sila. Kasama sa program nila yung pag-jogging. Parang kami noon, pag nagbabasketball ng high school, tanda ko pa, Catlea, no, not Catlea. I think I was second year. Yeah. Yung unbeatable team, yung pangalan ng team namin noon. Nag-jogging kami noon early morning. Papuntang Sabang. Napapuntang Sabang, papuntang Balindis pala. Papuntang ano ba sunod sa Balindis? Limot ko na. Salaban. Yeah. I-jogging kami papunta ron. Bago kami mag-practice ng basketball. Yeah, marami rin mga kabayan dito. It's nice feeling pagka spring na. Tapos na uli yung winter. Tapos na yung taglamig. So nagkakabuhay na uli yung mga trees, yung paligid. Kasi pag winter, it's so sad to look pag walang snow. Yeah. Morning. Yeah, there's someone upstairs. Someone with a tree. Watch out! Be careful! Good morning. Yeah, someone climbing the tree. I said, be careful. Okay. So friendly people here, so friendly. Show you the birds. This is not crow, guys. It's not crow. Crow is bigger than this. I forgot the name. I will write later. I'm gonna Google it. What's the name of this bird? Meron akong bird feeder doon sa backyard namin. Lagi nandiyan may pa isa-isa, dalawa, tatlo hanggang 5 ganyan or 6 nando sa backyard namin. Puno ng ibon. Yan. Para ako may alagang ibon doon sa likod bahay. Every morning nilalagyan ko ng patoka, mix ng corn like that, mga different seeds. Pero depende sa ibon kasi kada ibon iba't ibang gusto nila. Yung like yung cardinal, yung red na may parang palong sa ulo, ang gusto lang nila mga nuts at saka mga black seeds. Mga corn ayaw nila. Itong hinahanap nila mga bugs, mga worm. Daming ibon dito guys. Yep. So paano? See you next time. I'm done with the loop. So I can go home now. Thank you for bearing with me. Salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa akin. Yeah, at least summer na. May binidyo ko nung last winter. Medyo busy kasi hindi ko ma-upload. So ewan ko kung ma-upload ko to. Sana ma-upload ko para may share ko sa inyo. Okay guys, thank you. You can subscribe if you like this video. Morning. See you next time guys. Mabuhay. Thank you for watching.